are the ones you never pursue. This phrase from Michael Jackman implies two things: faster or fear. Living in this world where expectations are prevalent, many are afraid to fail. On the other hand, there are still people striving to learn and grow, and those people are now in the same room about in the chapter of their lives with recognition. A gratifying morning to our school administrators headed by Professor Lian Happy Bustamante, to the nose to grindstone principal of the Basic Education Department, Dr. Carlito S. Antonio, to the highly competent Senior High School Academic Coordinator, Mrs. Mary Ann P. Bernardo, to the enthusiastic Senior High School STEM 11 Coordinator, Ms. Catherine Wedd, to the indefatigable Senior High School Focal Person, Mr. Julibert Fernandez, to the conscientious Senior High School Discipline Coordinator, Mr. Brian Derry B. Arada, to the industrial Senior High School Activity Coordinator, Mr. Ronald Torres, to the assiduous faculty members and non-teaching staff, to the proud parents, friends, and my fellow astonishing awardees. I stand before you today filled with enormous gratitude and joy. First of all, we acknowledge the presence of our Creator who made us gather here together and made this ceremony possible. Thank you, God, for the blessings, knowledge, strengths, and perseverance you have given us to accomplish another fruitful year of learning. This school year is indeed a tough journey, but a remarkable and marvelous academic path. Sabi nga nila, mag-STEM ka, wala namang mawawala. Pero bakit parang nawalan po kami ng tulog? Kidding aside, those sleepless nights, tears for academic pressure, and counting the loads in the dawn are now paid off. This success is a sum of all efforts repeated day in and day out. Entering the SAMSTRAD is an regrettable decision as you met the enthusiastic, humble, competent, and caring STEM 11 coordinator and our beautiful advisor, Ms. Catherine Webb. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us the STEM 11 treatment that made us feel special. All the knowledge and wisdom you have shared with us will be truly appreciated. I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of our weird principal, Dr. Carlito S. Antonio, for all the support you have given us this academic year, for every event you organized, for shaping every aspirant to unlock their full potential, to promote positivity and camaraderie along the campus, and for making the whole basic education department committed to excellence. We are very proud and lucky to have you, sir. A saying from Benjamin Franklin, tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I will learn. To the people behind the success who have shared their knowledge with us, push us to perform better and believe in our abilities. To our very effective and passionate teachers, ardent mentors, and fervent coaches, thank you, Mom and Sir, for all the knowledge and mastery you have showered upon us, for not just teaching us what is written in the book or lesson plan, but instead showing the real word to us, shaping our future, being our voices and light in our darkest moments. You didn't just teach us a lesson to surpass this academic year, but a lesson that we will cherish until our success and forever. Continue transforming lives, Mom and Sir. Let's give them a round of applause. I always believe that good things happen in our lives when we are surrounded by positive people. To the people that we have been through ups and downs, calming moments, and sleepless nights. To my classmates and colleagues who are very proud for everyone's achievements, Poseidon, thank you for creating a family where comfort is for everyone. To my good friends Berg, Gia, Jane, Marga, Nathaniel, Gabriela, Jamie, Afrain, Alexa, Princess, and Paula, who became my strength and solace in stressful days and nights. The support from our loving family also made a big impact in delivering us to this success. To my mommikors and sister Bob, who loves me unconditionally and provides all the good things in this world. To my Kuya Aaron, who sometimes became my driver. To Maing, Lolo Howard, Bob Buddy, and Bob Tay. Thank you and I love you all. To SPCF, thank you for creating an inclusive community for everyone, where love is louder at all times. Continue cultivating growth and development, persevering in shaping the future, and delivering world-class education. Your vision in our hearts will shine forevermore. I am Carl Francois Garcia Navora, leaving words from Albert Einstein to learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow. Thank you and congratulations, STEM Padalon.